What is the best scare event in the country? Over the last 15 years, the UK has seen a boom in scare events. And after visiting a countless number of these events and partaking in hundreds of scare mazes, these are some of the best scare events in the UK. Doncaster Fear Factory. Now, this one doesn't mess about. Doncaster Fear Factory has built a reputation for being one of the most intense scare events in the north. It's gritty, it's in your face, and the scares are relentless. You won't even make it out of the car park before hell comes looking for you. And despite being one of the youngest scare events in the country, Doncaster Fear Factory has blown its way onto the scare scene in epic fashion. With 8 fantastic well-themed mazes and scare zones to experience, combined with the intensity and hands-on nature of the scares, you'll definitely find something here to make you piss your pants. This isn't an event that's afraid to get up close and personal, and it throws you straight into the action and keeps the pressure on from the moment you arrive. It's no wonder Doncaster Fear Factory is quickly becoming one of the most talked about scare events every scare season. Horror Mania. Formerly known as Horror at Hinchingbrooke House. It has a new name and a new location, but whatever you call it, you can still expect this one to be one of the most entertaining and intense scare events you'll visit. One of the longest events in the UK, Horror Mania seems to go on forever, with a huge number of highly entertaining areas to walk through. And the themes are wonderfully bonkers, with Halloween twists on the people and pop culture icons you know and love. From classic Halloween icons and popular Netflix shows to even Taylor Swift getting the Horror Mania treatment. But don't let that craziness fool you. Horror Mania is also one of the most hands-on scare experiences in the UK. Being shoved into a fridge and stabbed by Jason, pinned to a bed by a dead cowboy, or having my testicles almost removed by a chainsaw are just some of the experiences we encountered.
Hey! Whoa! That's not it! Jesus Christ! I don't remember the last time my ball sack were vibrated like that.
It's intense, seriously fun, absolutely chaotic, and it's definitely one that you don't want to miss. Xtreme Scream Park. Quite possibly the best scare event in the country, Xtreme Scream Park near Melton Mowbray takes immersive screams to a whole new level. Set inside Twin Lakes Amusement Park, Xtreme Scream brings Hollywood-level theming to the UK scare industry. This award-winning Scream Park has 7 immersive mazes, all with immaculate set design, and are all incredibly long. The vampiric kebab shop of Bloodlust, to the Last of Us inspired Spores, or the classic scarecrow-filled The Village are just some of the amazing mazes you'll experience at Xtreme Scream. And with great food and drinks options available, roaming characters, street entertainment and live shows, Xtreme Scream has everything you need to enjoy an immersive Halloween experience this year. Farmaggedon in Ormskirk. Voted one of the top 25 scare events in the world, Farmaggedon is definitely a fantastic Halloween experience. Known for its party atmosphere, Farmaggedon has a range of live stage bands, dancing girls, acrobats, and a range of hilarious roaming characters, including the infamous Donald Trump. On top of that, the scare mazes are excellent too, with the likes of Beasts of Terror and Contagion being highly themed and filled with off-the-rocker scare actors that make you feel like they've just been employed straight out of the asylum. They really are a credit to the event, making each maze an utterly fantastic experience. The Forgotten Corner at the Forbidden Corner. This might just be one of the most unique locations for a scare event in the country. Already known by day as the strangest place on the earth, it's a bizarre and surreal mix of labyrinths, follies, tunnels and crypts. But by night, it becomes something else entirely. Fog, eerie lighting and some seriously effective jump scares transform this experience entirely. The terrain is used perfectly to conceal each and every scare, meaning you'll never know which direction the next one is coming from. And stripping away the loud music and theatrics means you can hear every single scream from the people ahead of you. You know something's coming, you just don't know when, and you don't know where from. If you're looking for something genuinely eerie, unsettling and sinister this Halloween, this one's for you. If you're enjoying this rundown and you're already planning your spooky season, by all means hit the like button and let me know in the comments down below which of these you've done or you're planning to do. And if you love discovering new scare events, immersive experiences, delicious food or great days out in the UK, then feel free to hit that subscribe button too. Heading down to the Midlands now for Screamfest in Burton. Screamfest has always felt like one of the UK's most underrated scream parks, but honestly it deserves to be much higher on your Halloween list. It's got a great layout, some fantastic wandering scare actors including Babs, the naughty nurse with a tongue as sharp as a knife, and two of our favourite scare mazes in the country. Insomnia throws you straight into a child's nightmare with some serious Nightmare on Elm Street vibes, and Hellcatraz is one of the UK's most hands-on mazes. Prepare to be grabbed, shoved, dragged and even lifted off your feet in one of the most intense experiences you'll find at a UK scare event. And there's plenty more to enjoy with live entertainment, great food and drinks and a fantastic range of scare mazes to explore. It's fun, intense and really underrated. Hallowscream and Hallowtween at York Maze. Now staying in Yorkshire, we move on to what is Yorkshire's premier scare event and possibly one of the best events in the country. Hallowscream at York Maze. Each year, Europe's largest maze is transformed into Hallowscream, and this place is a full-on love letter to scare season. We're talking 5 highly themed and terrifying scare mazes, a large selection of amazing places to eat and drink, including the devil's favourite drink spot, Lucifer's Lounge, and some of the best stage entertainment in the UK, with fire breathers, dance shows and hilarious on-stage musical numbers. There's also some utterly amazing and definitely iconic roaming characters too, with the likes of the devious Corny the Clown and everyone's favourite Instagram Little Dribble. If it's not just scares that you're looking for, but a full-on Halloween festival style attraction, then York Maze Hallowscream is the place to be. And if you've got kids that are just a tad too young for the horrors of Hallowscream, then bring them earlier in the day to Hallowtween, a child-friendly version of the event that replaces pure horror with comedic spookiness to allow your little one their first ever experience of this amazing event. Yorkshire Scareground Scream Park. Yorkshire has a range of scream parks to visit, but none are as iconically Yorkshire as Yorkshire Scareground Scream Park. This attraction takes you through 3 outdoor scare zones and 4 indoor scare houses in a singular walkthrough that once you start, there's absolutely no escaping from. If you're lucky enough to make it through, then you can sit back with a range of great food and grab a drink at Jack's Backyard Bar. You can even watch some of the entertainment on offer. What we love most about Scaregrounds though are the characters. Jack, Uncle Bobo, Eugene and all the friends are as iconic as the event itself and will keep you terrified and laughing all evening long. Screams at Thornton Hall Country Park. One of the smallest events on our list, but by no means the least impressive. Screams has created a fantastic event with a brilliant area to relax, grab some themed food and drink and take in some live entertainment between your scares. And whilst they may not have as many mazes as other locations on our list, the 3 that they do have are absolutely brilliant. First up, there's Jinxed, a crazy, kooky clown maze that delivers exactly the kind of chaotic fun you'd expect. Then there's Malkin Manor. It's a beautifully detailed manor house packed with fantastic theming and even better, some seriously good scares. And then finally, there's Black Market, one of the most hands-on mazes in the UK. We're talking aggressive lap dances, electric shocks, bags over your head, isolation and much, much more. This one is definitely not for the faint-hearted. In fact, it's so much fun that we're not even allowed to film on the inside. Screams might be small, but it certainly doesn't pull its punches. It packs an incredible amount into what it has, and it's more than capable of leaving you trembling all the way home. Scare City experience. Scare City is often the first scare event of the season for many, and is a great way to start your Halloween season. Set inside the old abandoned Camelot theme park, this scare event has an aesthetic that cannot be replicated by anywhere. The old crumbling structures lend an apocalyptic air to the event that will see you move through a singular path of terror that's over 2 miles long. And whilst Scare City experience might not have the budget for grand set designs and epic showpieces, the location itself inside the abandoned theme park lends enough creepiness to make this place one of the most popular events in the UK. If you'd like to see more from the world of scare events, we have a full range of videos including in-maze footage from a range of scare attractions across the UK on our channel. Let us know in the comments if you agree with some of our top scare events, or let us know if your favourite didn't appear.